Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So here is where we are with the robot that we created in the previous video. If you probably just want to see how we created this robot, you can watch the previous video. But following some of your feedback, we've made some improvements to the robot. Let me just show you the settings that I'm currently using on the robot. Again, if you want to download this robot, I will link it in the description box below. Basically, just go to the blogs. The blogs are going to be in the description box below if you want to download the robot. I don't know why YouTube keeps deleting the links that I've linked direct to the robots, but the general links to the blogs, YouTube is not deleting them. I don't know why. Maybe they think that I'm trying to steal you people's credit card or whatever. I don't know. But in any way, just visit the blogs and you'll be able to download the files. On the blog, you'll see a section that says downloads. Just go there. You'll be able to download this file. Then you can load it onto your MetaTrader 4, or you can actually load it onto FX Streamer. I'm going to go into FX Streamer shortly. Then you can actually maybe play around with some of the settings as well. So here's the settings that I have. I haven't polished up everything yet, but you notice that the initial file that I shared with you guys only had a magic number. But anyway, I've added in this so that you don't always have to go back to FX Streamer to change the values. So that's a major thing that we did. And here is the settings that I currently have. This is on Euro USD on the 1 minute time frame. Also, I must add that something that I've observed is that the robot is okay, especially if the market is trending. If the market is trending, the robot is okay. But in a ranging market, you really have to be careful with that. That's something that I've noticed. So as you can see here, the robot is managing all the trailing stops and everything. So basically, all these trades behind here, they are just in profit. And some of the trades that are up here might actually be in a loss, but in any case, most of these that are below here are actually in profit because the robot has been trailing these trades as we continue moving up. So yeah, let's go to FX Streamer and I'll show you basically what some of the things that I just added into the robot. It's basic stuff, really. It's just basic stuff. So yeah, if you don't want the trouble of going to FX Streamer and whatever, you can just go into the description box there. There will be the links to the blogs. You can download the MQ4 file and the executable file, and then load them onto your MetaTrader 4 and test it out. Or you can actually load the MQ4 file to your FX Streamer and just basically see what I have. Then you don't have to like really follow the video. For people that don't want to do that, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Like the video, leave your comments in the comment section below, especially if you test this robot and you find some good settings. We're trying to make sure that this robot is profitable, somewhat profitable, so that it's worth our time. And the broker that I use, many people ask me about that. See the link in the description box below. Again, the good thing about them is with just $5 you can open a real life trading account, which you can use to test these robots that we are making here without putting too much money on the line at first. So if you give the robot $5 and it turns that $5 into $15, $20, then wow, you have stumbled upon something. Then you can add more capital to your trading account and hopefully you get to make some more money. So yeah, that's some of the things that I've noted with the robot is try to find situations where the market is going to be in a trend, not ranging markets like what has been happening there, but in a trend. Well, this is the results of NFP. This is the results of NFP. So let's just see on FX Streamer what I have there. So basically, it's basically still the same file as before, but what I did is double click, go in there, is yeah, this is what I just said there. For example, I just made sure that I ticked these gray boxes so that you don't always have to come to FX Dreamer to change your settings. I think that's something that I forgot to do with the original file that I shared with you guys, but yeah, that's basically what we have. Double click and go in there. So yeah, I'd forgotten to tick some of these gray boxes. Now if you want to make any changes, you don't need to come back to FX Streamer. You can simply make your changes in MetaTrader 4. Somebody asked me, does the robot expire? No, it doesn't. I've not set any expiry date for the robot. I've not set it to only trade real accounts, or I've not set it to only trade demo accounts. Basically, the code I'm giving you, you can do as much as you want with it. Everything, there are no limitations really. There are no limitations really. Somebody asked me about that, whether there was limits or limits on deposits and stuff like that. No, that's why I'm sharing the code with you guys, so that we do this together. So you can download the MQ4 file and you create a free account. If you don't have an account already on FX Streamer, you can use a free account on FX Streamer. The free account is going to be for MetaTrader 4. Unfortunately, for MetaTrader 5, you need a subscription. I use the free account. For MetaTrader 5, you just need a small subscription, which is okay if you manage to create a robot that makes you money back, or that you can sell to other people and actually recover your money. So yeah, that's basically it. If you are in the account, you just need to come to projects here, and then you come to import project. So the MQ4 file that you're going to download from the blog, you can actually load it from here, and you have this file and you can play with it however you want it. Then you can even come here and change the name of the robot, and you can go out there and sell it to your friends as if you made it by yourself. I don't mind. That's why I'm sharing everything, the code and the robots, everything with you guys for free. So yeah, let's see if we can make this robot profitable. Share with me your settings. I'm interested to see if it's going to work out with this robot before we actually move on to another robot. Guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.